Good morning, friends. This is Desigan, Assistant Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, King's College of Engineering, Ponalkulam. In Computer Aided Design and Manufacturing ME 8691, in Unit 3, we are going to see the topic is STEP. We call it as Standard for the Exchange of Product Model Data, that we have the acronym STEP. Other than that, IGES, CALS, PSOA, PHIGS, NAP labs or some other datas available. So this is the syllabus of third unit. In this, behind the communication standard, the step we are going to discuss now. The full form for STEP is Standard for the Exchange of Product Model Data. What is product model data? The manufacturing data that we are going to exchange with some other software based on CAD is called product model data. It is related, it having the related information in relevant with manufacturing, fabrication and some other relevant area. So in STEP protocol, we follow the ISO standards 10303. This is very important. One more question that is asked in TANSET Tamil Nadu entrance 2 years before. In 2019, the TANSET, the direct question is asked, STEP is related to which ISO standard? The options are there. So this is very important question, that is 10303, that represent exchange product model informations. So the STEP can be support some industrial application such as mechanical, electrical, plant design, architecture and engineering construction. In all type of these industries, the STEP is the majority protocol for exchanging of images or exchanging of protocols with other relevant software. So what are all the 4 types of data that is available in STEP protocol? The first one is design data, the second one is analysis data, the third one is manufacturing data, and the fourth one is quality assurance data. And quality assurance is somewhat related to testing and support. These are all the major data with which the product model data that is available in the STEP protocol. So this is the basic STEP architecture given in the unit. So before going for STEP, how the STEP architecture is formed? There is 3 layers available in the STEP architecture. The first one is application layer, the second one is logical layer, and third one is physical layer. The application layers are somewhat related with the product related area. In application layer, the mechanical products, electrical products, AEC product, that means auxiliary engineering construction. AEC means auxiliary engineering construction product, and application product. These are all available at application layer. Then all these data are collected, then it is sent to the logical layer, whether it is a generic entries or it is related to the application entries. These are subdivided in logical layer. Then it goes to the physical layer, where the file format and data structure are assembled and the product data is created. This is the basic STEP architecture. This is very important. It is asked in a 13 mark in 2019 Anna University June arrear exam. So we have to define the three layers of step protocol. The first one is application layer. This consists of the information of various application area. Likewise, mechanical, electrical, civil, and other. The next one is logical layer. Logical layer, whether the information collected from the application layer is relevant to the computer data, or it can be exchanged, or it can be fed up into the next layer, can be predominated by this logical layer. Logical layer simply contain artificial intelligence related fuzzy logic. So next to the logical layer, we have physical layer. In this physical layer, the direct exchange of data file can be manipulated, and it can be expressed in many type of format to represent the product information as given in the layers of the step architecture. So in step model data, what are all the basic things available to provide information and to proceed with the step architecture? First one, the goal of step architecture is to define a standard product in geometry, topology, tolerances, and material. Geometry is nothing but physical structure. Topology is nothing but its history, from the basic to finished product history. Tolerances is nothing but plus or minus allowances given, and what type of material we are going to intrude. These are all the physical aspects of the product. Next to the physical aspect, we have the fundamental difference between IGES and STEP. There is another exchange standard, that is IGES. The fundamental difference between the IGES and STEP we are going to see in the next point. The central unit of data exchange in IGES model is an entity. In IGES, central unit is data exchange. In STEP model, there are various applications which contain various entities that is used in STEP model. The data is exchanged between its application units for providing the terms of application and its relevant information. These are all the different